Good afternoon, my beautiful people, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. So if at any point in this video, if you hear any background noise, whether if it's like loud or not even that loud, I'm so sorry, you guys, I'm sorry, but we're just gonna have to basically disregard that for the entire video. So if y'all do hear that, sorry about it, y'all, sorry. So for today's topic of discussion, what are my favorite memories? So I know that this topic is like pretty broad because there's just so many, memories that I have. And, I just have a lot of favorite memories, whether if it's with my friends at the time or, now, or with my family at the time and now. But yeah, we're just going to hop right into this topic. So some of my favorite memories that I have stored into my memory bank has to be just the memories with my family and with my friends when I was younger, especially when I was younger. Especially growing up in my circumstances that I did, just having my family around and, having my friends around really saved my, not saved my childhood, but it really made my childhood the way that I wanted it to be, especially when I was a child. I was such a rebellious child. I was a child that literally didn't follow the rules and wanted to, do her own way. Not like a bad kid, but like a kid who, wanted to hang out with her friends and wanted to do all of those nice, fun things. And, just hanging out with my friends that, whether that I made in my neighborhood or friends that I, had at school that lived in my neighborhood. It was truly some of the best moments of my life, just being carefree and really just not thinking about, the repercussions of my consequences and what I did. And kind of looking back at it now, I was just so happy. I was so content with what I had. Especially then, I just had so much fun with the friends that lived in my old neighborhood, and it was genuinely such an amazing time. And it didn't even have to be with the friends in my old neighborhood. It could have been the friends from my parents, from my parents' friends that had kids. I also had fun with them as well. I still follow them on some of them on social media to this day, and it's just so amazing seeing their growth. And it's just so crazy. Literally, like I had the best of times with my friends and family when I was younger. I whatchamacallit, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, now I remember what I was gonna say. Especially like with my siblings, when we were younger, we just used to spend so much time together. My older sister and we used to like draw because she's really into drawing, and then my older brother and we used to play like a lot of games and stuff, and that was just super duper fun. And just having that closeness with my siblings at that time was just so great. And just being siblings and being young and doing all of that with my siblings was just so great. And also doing that with my friends as well. I remember I have one memory where my friends and I went to there was a sewer in our neighborhood, and we would used to tour like a little tunnel in there, and we would just used to act like we were kid explorers and like tour the tunnels and all that, and it was genuinely such a blast. And hanging out with other family members, going to parties and all that, and just living that and just having that freedom as a kid. Those are memories that I will always hold very, very dear to me. Spending time with them, with everyone, I truly hold those memories very, very dear to me. And I just hope that everyone is doing well that I mentioned for this talking point is doing well. Some of the best memories of my life. So another set of memories that I love and that I will cherish forever definitely has to be the memories in middle school. So I went to 3 different middle schools. I went literally for each grade in middle school from 6th through 8th grade. I went to 3 different middle schools. So I definitely had a very, very unique middle school experience versus other kids. Whatchamacallit, that, you know, used to go to middle school, or, you know, just have like a middle school period. You know, in middle school, I made some of my closest friends that I still talk to this day. Because especially during that middle school time, I moved to a completely new state. Because I'm not originally from the state that I am currently in. I'm actually from another state, which is Texas. So, you know, it just, you know, I guess kind of like culture change, not kind of like culture change, but actually the culture change a little bit. Kind of like the culture change, which is very, very interesting to me. And yeah, so just, you know, having that little change was good to me, I guess. I'm sorry if that made no sense. I honestly lost my train of thought. Honestly, it's especially in 6th grade. 6th grade has got to be the most craziest middle school year that I've ever had. It was just so much fun. I was not in the state that I am currently in now in 6th grade. These 2 girls and I, that I will not mention their names because I want to keep, you know, confidentiality off of the internet, but I remember these 2 girls and I that were my best friends at the time. We just had such an amazing time together. We, you know, went to the recreational center together. We all went to the same school. We, we were all in our school musical for our drama class that we were taking at the time, and it was just so much fun. Like, looking back on it now, it's like I was truly blessed with just having an amazing childhood and just having such an amazing pre-teen, tween age. It was so much fun. I will never forget those girls. I will never forget those memories that I made in middle school. I feel like the memories that I've had with my friends when I was a kid before middle school and in middle school definitely shaped me to the person I am today. I mean, I'm gonna like tear up a little bit, but it was just so much fun. Like, that was genuinely when I was my happiest. I could be myself. I was with the people that I loved and that I cared about, whether if it was my family and friends, and it was just such an amazing time. And yeah, I will never forget those memories. So yeah, if you are the 2 girls that I'm talking about, y'all know who y'all are. I love y'all. I hope that y'all are doing great and amazing things, and yeah, so yeah. All right, y'all, so that's all for this makeup look. We just did a little bit of mascara and really just some chapstick, so that's really all that we did today. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that y'all have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.